It's not in my mouth.
No, it's just numb.
And you just swallow.
Well, swallow.
I can't. I don't know how. How do I swallow? How long did I get sleep?
For an hour. What's wrong?
I can't feel my tongue.
Put your tongue back in your mouth.
I can't see it. Did the flower win?
You what?
They got my teeth.
They took your teeth out.
How long have I been in here?
10 minutes.
How did I get in here?
You danced.
A dance? A dance?
You danced all the way in here.
No, I was in a room all the way down there, and they told me I turned left. This was the room I was in.
You're in a different room. We're fixing to go home.
How did I get in here? Did they carry me in here?
You walked in here.
I didn't walk.
Well, then what did you do?
I don't know.
How did you get in here?
I don't know. How did I get in here? Is my tongue Where is it? It's the flap.
Your teeth are gone.
I can't swallow. How did I get in here?
You slid in here.
I slid? On the ground?
Yes.
Why? Why didn't they carry me in here?